Hi, welcome to new video for your development series. In this video, we will configure the view types inside the Horilla navigation bar. So, in the earlier videos, we have created the list view and card view. So, in this tutorial, we are going to map those two views into the view types of the Horilla navbar. So, for that, I'm going to my VS Code. Then our custom shift request navbar view. We also open the parent view. Here you will see a view types. It is a list of dictionary items. You will take dictionaries. We will check the keys inside the template. View types. We will type list of dictionary items. Then let's check the template. Horilla now the template inside the theme app. View types. So here is the view types. Okay, the type is each item type.attrs. Then type. Okay, and it will take an icon. Yeah, icon. Here's the icon. Yeah, let's provide inside the view types. First type will provide it as list. Then the icon. Icon will take the ionic icons. So let's use the available ionic icons. Ionic icons. So list. That is, let's use this one. List outline. List outline. Then for the card, no, and let's check. Yeah, for now let's use this one. Apps outline. Let's duplicate this dictionary item. Apps outline will be card. Then here's the URL. So where we need to navigate when a click event is happened. So let's provide the URL. URL just for the list URL. So provide reverse lazy, put a comma, just above reverse lazy. Then you check the URLs inside the custom app. Here's the list. Here's the list URL name. Let's provide that over here. Same goes to the card, but the name is different. It will be card. Okay, we missed a comma over here. Now let's restart the server. Okay, also let's change the template, like the section template, main template, the custom shift request template where we loaded the navbar tab or all the other URLs. So let's comment the tab and let's load the list by default. Okay, it will be just below the navbar. Is the nav URL and is the list URL. Okay. Okay. Now let's yeah, open our browser, then refresh. Here you can see the view type is now available. Then I click on the card. Okay, we got some errors. Target error. Okay. Target. Okay. We have to provide it inside a I mean the response we need to add it inside a container element. So let's change the add an ID for this list container, like ID is equal to view container. Then this is target. Okay, yeah, maybe this is a target. Search a swap target. Okay, add change that ID into this. Now let's restart the server. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, now here is the list is come by default. When I click on the card, yeah, so you can see now it's successfully switching. So that's how we configure the view type for HorillaNavbarView. I hope you understood this video. And yeah, if you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. Thank you for watching.